Hello everyone! Are you wondering what Xenogender means? Let's explore. Xenogender is a gender identity that is not tied to traditional concepts of gender, often described using metaphor, symbolism, or references to concepts that are outside the human understanding of gender. Xenogender individuals might describe their gender in ways that relate to nature, space, or abstract ideas, reflecting an experience of gender that goes beyond male, female, or even non-binary categories. This identity challenges conventional ideas of gender, embracing a more creative and expansive understanding of what gender can be. Xenogender is about recognizing that gender can be a deeply personal and unique experience, one that doesn't have to fit into existing frameworks. In essence, being Xenogender is about expressing a gender identity that is uniquely individual, often using metaphorical or non-traditional language to capture its essence. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.